Kaya, diba? Kaya. O, diba? I love it. Thank you so much for playing that game with us. That was so much fun. Thank you so much for being such great sports and for playing with us. And I think everybody is so excited for our next segment. Madalian sila for that game. And now everybody is waiting for this one. Ayan, tinitignan na nila. Ang nandito, ang Magic Tambiolo. It is now time to draw the winners of our brand new Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Yes, in sand gold color. And of course, SB19 will draw our winners. Yes, eto na nga. Three winners po. So, bahala na kayo. You can take turns. You can all draw them together. Eto na. Sel, dahil ikaw na yung sumasayaw, ikaw ang mag-draw ng first name.
Okay.
This is it. This is really is it. Yes. Ayan. Make sure that you're not looking. Okay. Ready na ba kayo? Parang hindi sasabihin ni Stel, yung winner, kapag hindi kayo sumigaw ng mas malakas. Ay, ayan,